Last night I saw you standing, and I started
Got the hiccups.
I knew you knew me too. And just like a romance, you were too shy, but you weren't the only cause, so was I. And I dreamed of you ever since. Now I build up my confidence the next time you come my way. I know just what to say. Can we talk
No.
for a minute? Girl, I want to know your name. Can we talk for a minute? Girl, I want to know your name. I started to write you.
Okay, guys, tell me when he does that dance, so I can try.
Got myself a notion, one I know that you'll understand. We set the world in motion by reaching out for each other's hand. Maybe we'll discover what we should have known all along. Yeah. One way or another, together's where.
Is a dessert? Oh, they're here. They're here.
There?
Yeah, yeah.
He has a good shotgun. He's one hit though? Yeah. Oh, the shotguns. You just can't fight them.
You can't.
It's impossible. I even hit him twice.
So they donated
I'll
1,000
take
these
this half
friends. They
pot.
did.
Oh, I'll take this green sniper thing too. I grab that.
Where are they?
I don't know.
I think they're far. Oh, yeah, they're far.
No, there's some southwest. Those are coming southwest. Where you're at, I think.
Splashes on me.
Flashes? Okay, coming.
Right. On me. Wait, what? I'm
I
outside.
know.
They're outside. Can I go outside this door or I'm going left? He's on top.
This guy's one hit on me.
Got this guy.
Got this one too. Ha! Triad saw it. He'll tell you what just happened.
No, he won't.
It's pretty epic.
We gotta go because Zone's coming too.
Popping a med.
What happened is that I hit him. So!
I used the flint knock, jumped in the air, and then shot that guy and killed him while I was flying.
Nice. Alright, chat, what should me and my special guest make? We're already making one dessert, which is like my special guest's like favorite dessert to make. And it's like their little staple. There's a riff, so we're good. thinking some food that we could eat too. Oatmeal cookies? For me? No. Beef Wellington? Ooh. Egg bake? What's that? Fancy? Cheese and
I have
cracker
mini for you. Can you
platter?
come grab it or?
Can you bring it to me? Riff's right here.
Yeah.
Where's it at? Oh, there it is. Pasta could be fun. Oh, lasagna could be good. She has a special. I mean, my special guest has a special
Let's go for the stream over here.
spaghetti lasagna sauce.
Looks like people are behind us.
Yep.
Yeah, just get in the stream.
They're fighting. Oh, a campfire I'm gonna go get. Worth.
Someone shooting me from the farm.